Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean this Honda PCV valve. This valve does not cost more than 35 bucks from the dealer. You can get it under $35. I think it's $32.98. But anyways, if you do want to clean this PCV valve, it's recommended you change every 30,000 miles. But if you want to change it, it's up to you. If you want to clean it, you're tight on money, you can clean it. All you need is a cleaner. This is a throttle body cleaner here, intake cleaner. You can call it whatever you like, and there you go. That's what I'm using. This thing is safe. I done it before one of these. It did not eat any seals or anything like that. But anyways, all you do is you take this, you stick this in there, and you give it a few touches. Shake it up. And I'm gonna tell you not to blow high pressure air into the system because this does have like a little check valve inside, and you can hear it. The little motherboard, you can hear it. All right, there's something in there that opens and closes, but very simple. Usually these will get clogged up over time, and I'm gonna get that rag behind me right here. Very simple. All right. So this is all done, very simple, probably took me under 2 minutes, and I would recommend you put a little bit of oil around these seals, both of these seals, alright? Very simple process. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my smoke machine, my evap machine, I'm going to put smoke through it. The smoke should be able to travel through it, and there you go. I could not hear that little valve inside shake up. It's much better. You could do clean a couple of times. All right, should free up. All right, usually that little marble in there, they have like a little check valve. It blocks. It gets clogged up. All right, now I can hear it. Before I cannot hear it. But anyways, I'm gonna put smoke in this, and you guys gonna see smoke travel through it. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. All right, so that's me set up, and we're gonna continue. All right, got my smoke machine hooked up right here. And there's the smoke coming out. So let's put this smoke through the PCV valve. Alright, so here it is, smoke right through the PCV valve. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put smoke through the back end here, and as you can see, it travels through the ports. Okay, there you go. I like it. I like it. And then we're gonna push it right through here. See that? So it's clean, nice and clean. Perfect. Alright, so this is clean. When you put a new PCV valve in, or if you clean and put it, make sure you put oil around these O-rings, and that will smooth out everything and the seal will sit properly. So thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any questions, send me a message.